issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Sheboygan County and east central Wisconsin until 5:30 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plymouth, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. At 4:55 p.m., 60 miles an hour wind was reported at Plymouth. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, Pittsburgh, Kohler, Cedar Grove, Brandon Lake, Cascade, Adele, Waldo, Zimmsville, Batavia, and Hingham. Prepare immediately for large hail and